Global greetings, friends, and welcome to Let's Talk About It with Danelle Boyles, coming to you from the US. Today, I am bringing to you a brief review of my most recently watched TEDx talk. Andreas Schleicher, Use Data to Build Better Schools. And there's many questioning, can we build better schools with more data? And this is a very thought-provoking and insightful TEDx talk that it examines how data can be used to strengthen the education systems and to create better learning opportunities for students all around the world. As one of the leaders behind international education assessments, Schleicher shares valuable insights into what distinguishes high-performing school systems from those that struggle to meet students' needs. One of the central themes of the talk is that educational success is not determined solely by funding or by class size. Instead, the most effective schools and countries focus on developing excellent teachers, maintaining high expectations for all students, and creating learning environments that encourage critical thinking. Not only critical thinking, but it also encourages very good formed problem solving. Schleicher uses data to challenge common assumptions about education and demonstrates how evidence can reveal practices that truly make a difference. He also emphasizes the importance of educational equality, showing that strong performing systems do not leave disadvantaged students behind. By carefully analyzing student outcomes and learning patterns, educators and policymakers can identify gaps. They can also address challenges directly and implement strategies that help all levels of learners succeed. Perhaps the most compelling message is that data should not be viewed just as a tool for ranking schools or for assigning blame, but rather that it should serve as a guide for continuous improvement, helping educators make informed decisions and to adapt to the changing and challenging sometimes needs of students. When used effectively, data becomes a powerful resource. We all know that many schools have limited resources, so as many that we can come by, the better. When we are building for more of a responsive and inclusive outcome, then the school is more productive and more successful. And successful schools is what we want in the long run. So overall, I, as a fellow educator and someone who takes notice of a lot of these practices and the impact and the outcome, I would give this video a 4 out of 5 and probably a must watch for individuals who are looking for a little bit more of a foothold in the data world and how it can expand the educational process and outcome of a student's learning process. And so basically, for a key takeaway from this TEDx talk is that educational improvement begins with understanding what actually works by using data more thoughtfully and focusing on both excellence and equality, that schools can create better learning environments where every student has the opportunity to thrive, not just students that are more inclined to thrive or come from environments that are more inclined to thrive. And, everyone gets an equal opportunity, which is what we are striving for, is a more equal opportunity world. So as always, thank you for joining us, and I hope you take away some wonderful growth and expansion from our conversation today. And remember to keep learning every day and expanding those minds, hearts, and horizons. And until next time, namaste.